Hello and welcome to Automated Trading. In this video, we're going to explore an essential topic for any trader: market sessions. These include the Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York sessions, and we'll demonstrate how to visually identify them on the chart using a custom indicator in cTrader. Additionally, we'll show you how to configure one of these sessions as an example, so you can easily replicate the process for the others. Stay with us until the end to learn how to implement this indicator on your charts and optimize your market analysis. Why are market sessions important? Each session represents a period of activity in a specific financial market, and each has unique characteristics such as volatility, trading volume, and the most active currency pairs. Visually identifying these sessions can help you adapt your strategies and trade during the most favorable times for your goals. In this case, we've developed an indicator in cTrader that allows you to visualize the sessions directly on your chart. This indicator uses configurable parameters like the start and end times for each session, its color, and the option to enable or disable a session based on your needs. Now, let's dive into the code and configure the New York session as an example. The indicator includes custom parameters that you can adjust in the settings panel. New York, enable or disable the New York session. Start and end, define the opening and closing times in hours. Color, choose the color that will visually represent this session on the chart. Let's start with time span. Time span is a structure in C# that represents a time interval, such as hours, minutes, and seconds. In this case, we use it to calculate the start and end times for each session, expressing them as a time interval from midnight. For example, if the New York session starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m., we define these intervals using time span to convert them into a range that the code can understand. The time zone info convert time to UTC method is crucial because cTrader servers operate in UTC time. This means we need to convert the local times for each session, e.g. New York in local time, to their UTC equivalent to ensure the times align correctly on the chart. Here's how it works. We create a specific date and time using the datetime object, such as the session's opening or closing time. We use time zone info find system time zone by ID to identify the local time zone we want to convert. Then, convert time to UTC transforms that local time into the UTC format required by the server. This ensures the system always works with times correctly aligned to the server's time zone. Finally, we have chart.drawRectangle, which is the method used to visually draw a rectangle on the chart, representing the time range of each session. This method allows us to define a unique identifier for the rectangle, such as New York session, the start and end times in UTC, adjusted to the desired range, the top and bottom positions of the rectangle on the chart, covering the entire price area, a color for the rectangle, which we specify using the color parameter. This method is highly versatile and allows you to customize the chart to highlight areas of interest, such as market sessions. With this explanation, you now understand the key components of this indicator. Time span, to calculate the time intervals. Time zone info dot convert time to 1 UTC, to align local time zones with the server. Chart.drawRectangle, to draw the visual elements on the chart. These concepts are not only useful for this indicator, but can also be applied to other projects in cTrader. Now that we understand how to configure the New York session, you can apply the same procedure for the other sessions: Tokyo, London, and Sydney. All you need to do is adjust the corresponding parameters for each session. Change the start and end times. Choose distinctive colors for each session. Enable or disable the sessions according to your preferences, This will give you a clear view of the most active hours in the market and help you plan your trades more efficiently. That's all for today. Now you know how to implement an indicator in cTrader to visualize market sessions and how to use this information to improve your analysis. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about indicators and automated strategies on platforms like cTrader and MetaTrader, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next episode of Automated Trading. Bye for now.